Hello traders, you are welcome back to the Forex Geek channel, and in this video we are going to go step by step through the easiest method to copy Telegram signals to MT5 automatically. All right, many traders receive trading signals on Telegram, but entering each trade manually on MT5 can be time consuming and stressful, right? So automation solves this problem by linking Telegram directly with MT5 so that signals are executed automatically without manual effort. So let us start with the basics, shall we? Copying Telegram signals to MT5 automatically requires a signal copier tool or software. Okay, so you're actually going to need a tool or software for that. This tool reads the messages from your Telegram group, or channel, and then translates them into trades on your MT5 platform. Okay, so instead of you having to check your phone constantly, the software does the work for you. The first step is to choose a reliable Telegram to MT5 copier. You might actually see a variety of them, right? You might see a variety of them. Just do your research, okay? I'm not going to tell you a particular software to use, okay? Because I personally don't use Telegram to MT5 copier, so I can't give a recommendation per se, okay? So you have to do your research yourself and find out which one is best for you, okay? So you can go through reviews, you can go through comments and all of that, and you can also maybe check Trustpilot to look at what other traders are saying about MT5 Telegram to MT5 copiers. Okay, let's just check Telegram to MT5 copier tools. Okay, so you can see this one here, MT5 Telegram to MT5 copier, Telegram to MT5 copier. So you can see that there are a variety of them, right? So what you have to do is to do your research. Okay, once you have chosen a reliable copier, there are several options available online, both free and paid. Okay, you look for the one that is compatible with your MT5 version and comes with simple installation instructions. All right, the next step is to connect your Telegram account. The copier will usually require access through maybe your Telegram desktop app or a Telegram bot. All right, so you log in or link your bot so the copier can read the signals directly. Okay, so let's just use this particular one as a sample and let's see how it's going to go. Okay, so I have downloaded the file. You can see MQL5 source file, Telegram to MT5. Okay, so we are just going to paste this inside our experts folder. All right, let's go to MQL5, let's go to experts, and we're going to paste that in here. Okay, let's go to our navigator and refresh. All right, the Telegram to MT5 isn't showing. Okay, let's get back to this place and copy the entire file. copy the entire file, come back here, open data folder, and paste it in there. All right, refresh. Still not showing. I think we should try out another example. All right, remember that I didn't exactly do a detailed research for this, and that is the reason why you need to do your research before selecting on the, Copier tool to use. All right, so I don't really know what that particular one I downloaded is doing. I don't know what the deal is with it. So I don't know if this is a free tool. Yeah, because of course you don't expect all the tools to be free. Okay, all right, we can see that it's not free. All right, it's not free. Actually, this particular one is not free, but if it offers what we need, then I guess it's going to be worth the investment, right? If you know that you belong to a Telegram group where profitable signals are being given, and or maybe a Telegram channel, profitable signals are being given, and you know that you don't have time to be manually placing the trade, it could actually be worth the investment, so long as you have done your research and you find out that the tool is actually giving you what you need. Okay, so for the sake of time, I'm not going to start going through everything that is here on on this site. Okay, but you can see there is just a brief tutorial here for this particular tool. Yeah, there's more like an introductory video showing us how the tool works. So maybe if you are interested in this tool and you want to learn more, you can just check out the site, Telegram Signal Copier. You can check out the site and you can watch this video from beginning to end. This particular video that is on the screen right now, you can just decide to watch it to know if it's something you're going to like. Okay, so remember, the purpose of this video that I am recording right now is to show you that there are Telegram to MT5 copiers out there, and there are good ones that you might want to try out. Okay, but make sure you always do your research. Once you have done your research, if the copier tool suits your trading style, then you can proceed to use it. But just make sure that you are comfortable with what it offers. Make sure that you have confirmed its legitimacy. Okay, so like I said, the first step is to choose your Telegram to MT5 copier. The next step is to connect your Telegram account. Then the third step is to configure the copier, obviously, where you set things like which Telegram channel or group the copier should read from, how to handle order sizes and whether to copy trades instantly or with filters and all of that. Make sure that you enter the correct details so the copier reads signals exactly as they're sent. Then the first step, of course, is going to be to link the copier with your MT5 platform, right? Most copiers might include a plugin or expert advisor that you install inside MT5. So once applied to a chart, it allows the copier to place trades on your account automatically. The fifth step is to test the setup. Obviously, you need to test the setup. Okay, before relying on it completely, you check that signals from Telegram are being copied to MT5 correctly. You can do this by waiting for a signal or maybe creating a test message to confirm the copier response. All right. Now, there are some common issues that traders face during this process. One problem is incorrect Telegram configuration. If the copier is not linked to the right channel, it won't pick up signals. Another issue is forgetting to keep MT5 running with the copier attached to a chart, which stops trades from being placed. So always make sure that both your Telegram connection and MT5 setup are active. The benefit of copying Telegram signals to MT5 automatically is that it saves time It reduces mistakes from manual entry, and it ensures that you don't miss out on trade opportunities because you were not watching your phone. So it's a simple but powerful way to streamline your trading workflow. Okay, to recap, pick a reliable Copier tool. Please do your research. Okay, please do your research. Connect your Telegram account, configure the Copier settings, link it with MT5, and test the setup. Once this is done, your Telegram signals will flow directly into MT5 automatically. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to click the like button and subscribe to the channel. That way you'll always be updated with practical tutorials that make your trading tools easier to use. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.